Okay, I've got that plugged in, and we'll just make sure it runs this saw. No problem at all. Hey guys, welcome to Solar Cabin Channel. Hey, I've got a product I think a lot of you will actually be interested in. It's a beautiful fall day here at the cabin, and as you know, we're approaching holiday season. And one of the things, when I built my cabin, I didn't build any outside outlets for electrical power on my cabin. So running things like appliances, lights, Christmas decorations, Halloween decorations, anything like that has kind of been a pain. If I want to run anything, I have to run a cord out of my cabin, or if I'm running tools or anything like that, I have to run a cord from my generator, and it's kind of been a pain because I didn't have any outside outlets. Well, a company contacted me, asked me to review this. This is made by HBN. This is a 3 outdoor yard stake. Designed so that, especially for outdoor decorations or small appliances and tools. So I'm going to show you what's inside this box here. Now, what really caught my eyes, one thing, the price point on this, it's very affordable on Amazon, and it comes with the stakes. I had it out and looked at it. It comes with the stakes, so you can stake this out, and it's a 3 outlet outdoor. It's designed for outdoor and rated for outdoor use. Comes with a very substantial heavy-duty cord that you can, I think it's like a 6-foot cord. Yeah, it's probably about a 6-foot cord. And then it has 3 outlets, and these are weatherproof outlets. They have the snap cover on them, okay? And then it also includes the stakes. So you can put these in. We'll make sure I put these in the right way here, like so. Okay, those kind of snap together. A little bit hard to put together, but not too bad. And then this one slides in like so, okay? And then you can stake this out. So I'm going to stake mine right here because this is where I'm most likely to use it, next to my porch. And you can stake that right into the ground. And now you've got an outlet there. And then you've got your cord that you can plug in either to your generator or to your indoor housing. So one of the reasons that I'm going to got this, because I need to use it, is I've got e-bikes and I also run small tools. Now this will handle, I'll read it here on the box. It says this will handle, it's a 125 volt AC 60 hertz, 13 amp, 1625 watt resistive and tungsten. So it'll handle up to 1625 watts, and it'll handle up to a 1/2 horsepower motor, which most of my small power tools, jigsaws and things like that are way under a 1/2 horsepower. It will also run like small swimming pool pumps and stuff like that. So if you need an outlet next to your house, you can easily connect one of these and use them wherever you need to. Again, that is made by HBN on Amazon at a very reasonable price. So go check those out. I think that's very cool. That's going to be very handy for me because I charge up my e-bikes and I run a lot of power tools and small tools out here. I think this is really going to work out great. Okay, so now I've got a 3 outlet plug outside for running things like my power tools, Christmas lights, Halloween lights, decorations, things like that. Even my small swimming pool pump will run off of this. And it's got 3 outlets so you can run multiple appliances or multiple gadgets. Alright, I think that's a good deal. Again, that is made by HBN, 3 outlet outdoor yard stake. It is designed for outside use. Will handle up to a 1/2 power motor or any of your small appliances, gadgets, Christmas decorations, whatever you're using it for. Go look at those.